Welcome back, my dear children. Today we are going to learn addition with regrouping. Let us start with an example. The first number given is 582 plus 259. If you get a number like this, first thing you have to do is you have to draw the column like this. See how many digit numbers are given. Here both are 3-digit numbers. The addends both are 3-digit numbers. So you have to draw 3 columns like this. Then in the first column, in the first line, you have to write the place value of the numbers. Here we can start from the right, on the right hand side. So on the right hand side the place value will be 1's place, and the next place will be 10's place, and the moving to the right next place will moving to the left next place will be 100's place. So we have to write HTO. When you got a 3-digit number for addition, you have to write, you can write directly H in the first column, T in the next column, and O in the next box. Now leave this one row for carry over digits. Then write in the next row 5, 8 and 2, 5 in hundreds column, 3 in tens column, and 2 in ones column. Then next number 259. Always try to write the second number from the right hand side. Start from the right hand side, that is from the ones place. Because if you get 2-digit number or 1-digit number as the second addend, it will make you a confusion. By mistake you may write in the hundreds place or tens place the number or digit in the ones place. So in order to avoid such mistakes, we can start from the right hand side. The number in the ones place here is 9. So start from the right hand side, write backwards. So first number is 9, which is in one place. Next is 5, which is in the tens place, and moving on to the left we have 2 in the hundreds place. So now we have written the numbers in the boxes in proper boxes, because when you write in proper columns drawing like this, there will be no mistakes and confusion. Now we can start addition. First we have to start adding the numbers from in the ones column. So by adding ones, we have to write which are the numbers we have to add. 2 and 9. So we can add the numbers in the ones column are 2 and 9. So we can write 2 plus 9 once. 2 plus 9, when we have to add 2 plus 9 once. So 2 plus 9 once is equal to 2 plus 9 will give you 11 once. 11 once means, what is 11 once? 11 once means 110 plus 1 once. So 11 once we got, while adding 2 plus 9 we got 11. So that is which column? Ones column. So it is 11 ones. 11 ones means 110 and 1 ones. So how we have to write? We have to write this one ones, no, that 1 in the ones place, and carry over 1 to the tens place. Understood? So here what we have to do? This one should be written in the ones place, and this 110 is there, no, that 110 should be carry over to the tens place. For carry over we can use brackets in order to avoid confusion. While you use bracket, we can understand that is the carry over number. Understood? Now next step is first step is add the ones, that we have done. Now next step is add the tens. Now we can start adding the tens. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 will give you 9, and 9 plus 5 is 14. We can write here and add. Okay. So 1 we can write 1 first. 1 plus 8 plus 5. 1 plus 8 plus 5, which is the place here. This is in the tens place. That is 1 plus 8 plus 5 tens. That is equal to 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. You will get 14 tens. 14 tens means 100 plus, we can write here below, we can write this below as equal to 100 plus 4 tens. This is 14 tens means 100 plus 4 tens. So how can we write this? We can write this like this. Write 4 in the tens place and 1 carry over to the hundreds place. Understood? So what we have done? This 4 tens should be written in the tens place and this 1 carry over to the hundreds place. Let us see, we can write here 4 should be written in the tens place and 1 carry over should be written here in the hundreds place. Understood? So now we can add the numbers in the hundreds place. So 1 plus 5 you will get 6 and 6 plus 2 will give you 8. So the answer, final answer what we got is 841. I hope you all have understood this. Now let us move to the next question. 707 plus 123 plus 79. This also we can do here. First write the place value 100, tens and ones. Leave this box, first box here. First number is 707. Next number we can start from the right hand side. 3 in the ones place. Then next number is 2. 123 is the number. 1 is in hundreds place. And again next number is 79. We can start from the right hand side. Write 9 in the ones place. Then 7 in the tens place. As there is no hundreds, we don't want to write anything over here. Now we can start addition. We have to add the numbers in the ones place. That is 7 plus 3 plus 9. We have to add 7, 3 and 9. Now we can write here in the brackets, we can write 7 plus 3 plus 9 ones. That is equal to 7 plus 3 is 10 and 10 plus 9 you will get 19 ones. 19 ones is equal to 110 plus 9 ones. So what we have to do? You have to write 9 in the ones column. Here we have to write 9 and how this 110 should be carried over to the tens place. So write 1 over here like this. Understand? So this 9 should be written in the ones place and this 110 that we got should be written or carried over and should be written in the tens place on the top. We remember to put brackets or circles so that we can easily identify the numbers which are being carried over. Now add 1 plus 0 is 1. Then here we can add here for avoiding confusion. Now 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 7. These are in tens place, so we have written 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 7 tens. That is equal to 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 2 will give you 3 and 3 plus 7 is 10. So you've got 10 tens. 10 tens means what is 10 tens? 10 tens is equal to 100 plus 0 tens. Now we can write this here. Here how many tens are there? Only 0 tens. So we have to write 0 here and this 100 should be carried over to the hundreds place and should write here on the top using brackets. Write 1 on the top of the 100 column. Now we are moving to the third step, that is adding the hundreds. Now we can add the number in hundreds place. So we can add here 1 plus 7 plus 1 hundreds, that is equal to 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9 hundreds. There is no carryover, so we can write this 9 as answer in the hundreds place. So you will get the answer 909. So when you add 707 plus 123 plus 79 will give you 909. Hope all you have understood. Today we can wind up this section. Thank you.